Hi guys, today I'm going to show you this Zenit B camera which comes with this Helios lens. It also comes with this casing thing, which we're going to remove now to show you the aesthetics. Take out the lens. So this is the body itself, the front, one side, the other side, the top, and the bottom, and this is the back. We're gonna show the shutter. Okay, you're gonna test the speeds now. Let's do 500. Okay, 500 works. Let's do 125. Okay, 125 works. Let's do. Actually, just now was 250. Now it's 125. 125 works. Now do 60. 60 works. Let's do 30. 30 works. Now let's do bulb mode. Bulb mode works. So it's fully functional mechanically. Okay. Lock it, I need to lock, I need to push down and push down like this. Okay, so now I want to show the lens itself. This is the aesthetics of the lens. N1014333. Okay, this is the back. Okay, so focusing is smooth. Aperture is smooth and works. Condition of the glass. Got some dust or bubbles. Looks like bubbles. Russian communist way of doing things. Okay, now we're gonna do a shine test. Alright, so there you go. This is a Helios. If you like this camera and lens, you can let me know. I can sell it to you. If you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe and share. It will really help. And thank you so much everyone for watching this. See you guys next time. Bye. God bless.